Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today we're gonna talk about one of my really favorite guitar players on this planet, Johnny Guitar Watson. Surprise, surprise. For those who don't know the guy, he was really cool, had a really iconic guitar style, and I once heard it on the radio. I didn't know that it was him. I said, what is this? This guy is so funny, and I need to know who he was. And I discovered it was Johnny Guitar Watson. He was playing in Zurich, and that's how the story began. And for those who don't know Johnny Guitar Watson, we're going to talk about a little bit his playing style and specific on a real mother for you. Good girl, one fine job. Pride ain't right. Sorry, I forgot the lyrics, but it's really cool song. If you don't know it, check it out. But we won't talk about too much about the song itself, but it's really iconic guitar style. You probably noticed it's played with finger picking and just a regular clean guitar sound, Fender amp. A lot is happening here. We're gonna check this out when you check out the opening lick of this tune, but he played it differently. We just check out his style, how he's played to get this sound. So let's get started. As already said, Johnny Guitar Watson had a really iconic sound, and that happened in fact here. He played mostly in the root position of the pentatonics. In this case, it was in F minor pentatonic, position number 1. And a bit position number 2, playing the House of Blues. But the main thing which was happening was here. He played pure finger picking, but kind of a slappy style, to create this really crisp. Sometimes you can create this sound. I didn't find a video where I could see his fingers, but I'm pretty sure he played it with thumb, index, and slapped it, where he could, or just with a hook with the index finger. So hook and also thumb, pretty similar, like the style of Mark Knopfler. But I would say Johnny Guitar Watson did more slap technique, really slapped those strings down to create this really cool sound. And what is also, now we're seeing, let's check out. That's the opening lick of a Real Mother for You. He played the old blues style, kind of pentatonic, by using also this bending here, which he's doing at the beginning, also this bending. And down here on F, it's really hard. It takes a lot of strength. But together with this hook technique, you just slap it down, and then you switch into the pitch. And that was exactly Johnny Guitar Watson. Okay. So that's the opening lick of Real Mother for You. Then so that's basically the opening lick, okay? But what really makes the difference is you slap all of these notes, you slap them to create this sound, and to get this slightly out of pitch sound. It's not completely out of pitch, but it's somehow you get on the pitch, but you don't have to be exactly on the pitch, and that being not exactly on the pitch is honestly what makes the sound what is so cool. So let's do it quickly here with the backing track. And then the regular blues. Okay, and that's really a cool thing you can do here. By the way, the riff is really simple. It's just here. What is this? An A flat to a B flat. Of course, play with finger picking. It's really cool. So let's play a little bit along, and then in the normal soloing, just hit on the bendings and do this, you know, slightly out of tune. Or something like that. That's Johnny Guitar Watson. Let's quickly go to the solo part here in the backing track. And so backing track is a little bit low volume. I can put it a bit up. They can hear it better. But it's really basically, it's not really licks. It makes no sense to write your licks on this stuff. What is really the main thing is how, you know, together with this hook technique, to sit on these bendings and just get funky. Yeah, and that's basically, as I said, the hook technique. And really also do, on those who really want to highlight, you take the thumb and the index. Yo guys, that was Johnny Guitar Watson. You have to check out this guy if you don't know him. He had a few really, you know, a few songs for sure. You know them if you're my age, because that was playing along in all dance halls and discos. And when it came to funk music, Johnny Guitar Watson is probably the coolest guy ever, in my opinion, but it's only my opinion. However, the main thing I told you is this specific hook technique and just riding on the bendings, and probably don't pay too much attention to get the pitch of the bendings so perfectly. It's more about the vibe. And therefore, probably check out who this guy was. A really funny dude. Yo, one more to say. I'm gonna write down the intro lick that you have something. This one here. And it's going to be available in the HPCrazy guitar game, plus this cool backing track which I just created for you guys that you can go along with Johnny Guitar Watson. If you love this, please join the HPCrazy guitar game, become a member, become a premium member in order to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community. And please share to the world that me and Dr. Pink are existing. That will be a great help of us, and keep on grooving. Oh yeah, it's a real motherfucker. Also check out the lyrics, it's really funny. It's really funny. It's a real mother for you, dome. Good girl. Oh yeah.